We're in the Auckland city fringe, so close to the CBD, in a reasonably constrained site with neighbours nearby, and in a very old suburb that was settled and developed around the 1900s. From the street, we were interested in making a house that appeared to be a single-storey house, when in fact it's 3 stories. The main level that you experience at the street level, which is the middle floor but appears to be the ground floor, is primarily social space, so it's really living, kitchen, dining and terraces to both sides. But also you see the main stair which takes you down to the lower floor. The stair looks particularly amazing in the morning with that low eastern light raking through it. Below was more dedicated to connection to the garden and to the pool. So there's another living area down there, but also there are 2 more bedrooms. The reason we put the master bedroom upstairs, the primary reason is that it's got a really absolutely incredible unobstructed view of the harbour and the cityscape. While there's a neighbour right there, we did want to benefit from filtered natural light from that side, so we have quite a strong, almost like a palisade wall in concrete, but with vertical breaks in it. We've created this huge vertical skylight that adds a lot of drama to the ground floor and provides a almost theatrical sense of verticality in the space. And it also brings in afternoon light all throughout the day, and it's mirrored on the opposite side. There's another inlet which is a window from the upper floor. There's quite a reduced colour palette, so it's more about tonality. So we've got dark, shadowy charcoals that are approaching black, so you see that in the kitchen cabinetry, which is stained oak. You see it in the kitchen surfaces, which is a large format porcelain, steel joinery. And the timbers, we've selected them for the floor and for the ceiling, so they appear to be the same tone. There's also a mirrored cabinet which doesn't touch the ceiling, and that gives you somewhere to put your coats, and it gives us some storage on the other side, which is the dining room. But it also provides reflection of light and reflection of the garden back into the room. And they're large sliders. The beauty of them is that unlike regular steel joinery, they're thermally broken, which means that you don't lose heat to the outside in winter and you don't gain heat to the inside in summer. And we were thinking about garages and why do we try and hide them away. In this case, we realised that we could just celebrate some cool cars in a beautiful garage and present that to the street rather than just having a really boring blank garage door. So it's about engaging with the street. Lighting, both during the day and at night, is able to play off texture. We have concealed LED lights that wash directly down the walls. In the main living space, we didn't want to create a composition of lights that would distract you. So the interesting thing about how they're configured in the oak ceiling is that they're randomly placed. So there are no lines and there's no strict composition to them. I think there's a sense of ambition in a lot of these houses that have been built here in the last 100 years, and I'd just like to think that that continues. We've taken a chance at something that's a little bit unusual, and yeah, we're happy that it's turned out so well.